Hi, I'm going to show you how I'm going to solve Rubik's Cube. I'm not going to show you how to. It's very difficult. It takes weeks of practice. I've been solving the Rubik's Cube about 2 to 3 times a day for about the past month. So I'm pretty good at it. I can solve it in maybe a couple of minutes. I might show you how to later on, but I'll stick with showing you how fast I can do it right now. Okay, let's go. I did not rig it, so I don't have to do a few. I memorized like how I unscrambled it. I just didn't hear scramble it. At this point, it ranges from 30 seconds to 10 minutes to solve this part. So I got that side solved, and the whole bottom layer solved. The bottom 2 layers. Almost that. So all will go. Oh, got 2 solved. Doesn't really matter though, so I'm going to have to scramble it back up. Notice the whole time I'm not scrambling the bottom. Do it without looking. Oh, got that back. There we go. Something else. Usually it doesn't take me so a really long time to do this part, but sometimes it does. Once it took me half an hour, earlier it took me 30 seconds. It all depends on how it is once you get there. That again. Say you get 2 sides solved, it doesn't really matter. You've got to get all the sides solved. So you can't keep, say you get 2 sides solved, you can't keep both of them solved. You can only keep one solved. Okay, here we go. Okay, almost done. I can solve 8 more moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I solved the Rubik's Cube. Maybe later on I will make a video on how to solve it. Well, for now you can watch this and maybe you can see how I did it. Thanks.